Today I got a handheld pressure pump using a battery. This one I choose is a 48 volt. There's a 12 volt, 24 volt, and 48. So I choose the 48, and this is the extra battery that I got it. And there's a connector also, extra connector which is can do a multiple pattern. And there's a 0 like this, 0 degree, 15, 25, 40, and so on. And this is the connector, so I just need to turn like that accordingly. So this is the thing. And this one is it's a combo actually. It's come with it all, and this is for the handheld will be like this. So if you have a you can use a bottle. So this is this thing can put it inside the bottle, a drinking bottle, 2 liter or something like that, soft drink bottle. And this connector will be attached to here, and this is also quick connector. So later I show you how it is. So inside the box, got the battery. Okay. Then got this one for the soap, and the handheld itself. Like this, it looks like a toy gun, Star Wars toy gun, and 48 volt, and you plug in like this. Look like a hand drill. This also can use a hand drill. No, sorry, this is not a hand drill because it's a pump in the end. And for the shampoo, you must use the hose nozzle here. This one is compulsory, need to adjust and need to plug it in before use. Like that. And this one also in the tip is a quick connector, and this quick connector is straight, so when he spray out, it have a lines, one straight line. Okay, and the other, I have another quick connector. This is a quick connector, is a rounded quick connector. So with this one, how to take out, you just take out like this and exchange like this. And this is a bit unique. This is for the angle. I put a rubber here because the moment you put it inside, so they will not turn. This one can turn easily, so I put a rubber band here. So this one can just use like this. And this is for the angle, like you want to spray out bottom, so you can easily spray from the bottom part. If without this, is a shooting straight. So with this, you can use angling to spray maybe the wheel arc, wheel area there. Okay. The shampoo is just connect like this, and they will spray out. Okay, inside the box is also include the hose and the power adapter, and there's a quick guide. The quick guide is not much, it's just telling the few models. There's a 12, 48 and 24. Okay, yeah, and there's a powder shampoo, so they include the powder shampoo. This is first time I see they give shampoo powder inside. Usually detergent powder, but this is, I think, a car shampoo powder. They only give 2. So power adapter very light. The power adapter is showing 48 volt to 1 ampere. So this is not compatible with the car cigarette lighter. There's some few model. There's another model which is compatible with the car 12 volt connector. So they provide the car 12 volt cigarette lighter to the gun, and then you can use it with the cable. But I don't want to use a cable, because eventually also you have one cable lying using this one. So this is the hose. You need to connect to here. If you got another one, means another cable coming to your car to the cigarette port. So is operation wise is like this. So this you plug it into the okay, so that's why the reason I also got this is free from them when I purchase combo. This is for the fisherman to put the fish actually. It's a waterproof bag. They can put the fish here. So I will put water in here. Of course the water will not enough to wash in a car, I guess. So I will use a pail with cover to do it. So they have a zipper also here. So the zipper is, the moment this one is closed, so this is good for those living in the apartment or maybe a condo. Just a bag of water here. You can, maybe you need a 2 bag, something like that. So you put it in this one, to the side, and they will suck the water out when you spray this one. Okay, this one is quite loud. It's quite noisy when you do operation, but it is what it is. So you can just wash your car in the parking lot garage or parking lot, your private flat. Once you can wash it, spray it with the shampoo, then I think you can just wipe it with the clean towel. By the way, also got a towel, free towel. Yeah, so you can just a microfiber towel. This one free, get from the package also. Okay, that's about it. I think for the quick look unboxing for this handheld pressure pump, and the box is a compressible. You can store it with flat. So this one also can carry all your things. Actually, you don't want to use this. I'm planning to use this as a carrier, and all the stuff put it inside here. And I will use a pail to do a washing. So this is how to use with the normal bottle. The hose actually is quite long, and you can use a bigger bottle. The cap will be standard for the small bottle, and this one can just quick release. So it's a quick release. It's nice. And this is a normal connector that they provided. Okay, I just done the first wash, so I dismantling the thing. Then surprisingly, I just used one battery enough, and still got a remaining battery actually. And what I do is I bought this pail from Mr. Speedmart, 99. So it's only 12 ringgit. Then I fill up the water from bottom until here, and I make a hole here, 2 holes. One is for the pressure gun, and the other one is to fill up the water. So surprisingly, I still got a lot of water, and you can see I think is so I fill up the water around here, around this edge. Then I use up until here, but I still have a remaining until I think half bottom. I still have a remaining. So this one is to fill up the water, and this one is to suck it the pressure gun. So everything clean. So it's a clean everything. I also wash the mat. The mat also finished to wash. So, and I use up this plastic sloop to carry this thing, because there's a sloop in between my flat, and I need to use this in order to up and down slope. And quite happy enough that the water actually doesn't take so much, and maybe it's because of pressure water. It's a pressure water, so when I spray the thing and also clean up on the left hand, so I make a soap with this provided by them. It's a powder shampoo and mixed with water, and when I spray out, it become a foam. So I use on the left hand using the sponge, and spray on the right hand of course using the angle spray. So I use an angle spray form, angle spray form, as angle response, and angle spray and response. So it's like that continuously. Then yeah, that's how I did. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.